Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to see how to sketch polygons. We will continue from where we left in the last lecture. This is the polygon icon. Select the number of sides your polygon will have. I will select 3. Select 2 points and your polygon is ready. Here the polygon will have equal sides by default. You can change the number of sides to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever number of sides you need. There are 2 options here, inside the circle and outside the circle. Now go to Smart Dimension and add the length of the side. OK. Now you can right-click on any direction and add relations. I will click on vertical. See, this side has become vertical. This is how we create polygons. In the next lecture, we will learn about splines. Thanks for watching this lecture, see you in the next one.